So I have made an example app for this. Like we can register in this app. Like I think something this. I think I should only type a a and a. In mobile number I am only writing a because it is not fully programmed. Now when it will program I will try to do this that only numbers will be typed in it. So let's say done, and this says signed in because that signed in I have taken as a main screen of app. So you can also make your own app screens as your own wish. So password a and name a. So when I click done it says signed in. Or if I enter a wrong number, like I have entered my wrong username, this will say username or password is incorrect. So